St. Ives, Cornwall, is a picturesque coastal town nestled on the rugged coastline of southwest England. The town is situated on the north coast of Cornwall, surrounded by rugged cliffs and sandy beaches. St. Ives boasts breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and is characterized by its pristine coastline and turquoise waters. Visitors can explore the town's narrow winding streets, lined with charming cottages adorned with colorful flowers. St. Ives is famous for its beautiful beaches, including Porthmeor Beach, renowned for its excellent surfing conditions and golden sands. Other popular beaches include Porthminster Beach, known for its family-friendly atmosphere and calm waters, and Harbour Beach, located in the heart of the town. St. Ives is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including the rugged cliffs of the Southwest Coast Path and the tranquil beauty of St. Ives Bay. The town is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for hiking, surfing, kayaking, and wildlife spotting. One of the highlights of visiting St. Ives is witnessing the breathtaking sunsets over the Atlantic Ocean. Visitors can find the perfect spot to enjoy the evening spectacle, whether it's on the beach, at a cliff-top viewpoint, or from a waterfront restaurant.
Never go to feed some seals and enjoy your time with your family and friends.
St. Ives is a fishing town, so you can expect the fish in your fish and chips to be incredibly fresh. Locally caught fish, such as cod, haddock, or plaice, is often used in the dish, ensuring a delightful seafood experience. Many fish and chip shops in St. Ives pride themselves on preparing this classic British dish using traditional methods. The narrow streets of St. Ives are one of its most charming features, evoking a sense of history and tradition. These alleys date back centuries and are lined with quaint, whitewashed cottages adorned with colorful flowers, creating a picturesque backdrop for visitors to explore. As you wander through these streets, you'll discover hidden gems such as historic buildings, traditional pubs, and local artisan shops. While the narrow streets of St. Ives add to the town's character and charm, they can be challenging to navigate for those with mobility issues. However, many of the main thoroughfares are pedestrian-friendly, making it easy for visitors to explore the town on foot. St. Ives is blessed with several beautiful beaches, each offering its own unique charm and appeal. Porthmeor Beach is perhaps the most famous beach in St. Ives, renowned for its golden sands and excellent surfing conditions. Porthminster Beach is a beautiful crescent-shaped bay located just a short walk from the town center. Harbour Beach is nestled in the heart of St. Ives, flanked by the historic fishing port and bustling town center. Shopping in St. Ives offers a delightful mix of independent boutiques, art galleries, and craft shops, making it a haven for those seeking unique souvenirs and locally made goods. St. Ives is home to a variety of craft shops specializing in handmade goods and locally sourced products. Visitors can browse a wide range of unique items, including jewelry, textiles, pottery, and glassware, all crafted with care and attention to detail. No trip to St. Ives is complete without picking up a few seaside souvenirs to remember your visit by. Visitors can choose from a variety of traditional gifts such as postcards, magnets, and keychains featuring iconic St. Ives landmarks and scenes. Many of the town's souvenir shops also offer locally made crafts and artwork, providing a unique memento of your time in this charming coastal town.
Oh, I like these mugs. These are massive. Don't touch anything. Buy it. Tom, these are massive. Huh?
Thank you for joining us on this journey through St. Ives. We hope you've enjoyed exploring this charming coastal town as much as we have. Until next time, may your travels be filled with adventure, discovery, and the magic of new beginnings. Farewell, St. Ives, until we meet again.